Good morning, students. Today we start a new chapter of class 10th maths. In previous class we study exercise 16.4 and miscellaneous exercise. Okay, today we study a new chapter that is known as circumference and area of circle. New chapter is circumference and area of circle. First we see what is the definition of circle. So a circle is a collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane. So what is circle? Circle is a collection of all the points. Which point? That point have a fixed distance from a fixed point. So circle is a collection of all the points. These are, a circle have infinite points on the boundary. So circle is a collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance. Fixed distance is represented by OA. Fixed distance from a fixed point. Here what is fixed point? O. Fixed point is O. From a fixed point in the plane. So circle is a collection of all the points which have a fixed distance from a fixed point. Fixed point is known as center of circle. Here O is the center of circle. Fixed point is called center of circle. And OA is the radius of circle. OA is the radius of circle. Then next topic is circumference of the circle. In simple words, we can represent circumference is the length of boundary of circle. What is circumference? Circumference is the length of boundary of circle. In simple words, the distance covered by the boundary. The distance covered by the boundary, otherwise one complete rotation of circle. One complete rotation of circle is called circumference of circle. So what is circumference? Circumference is the length of one rotation of circle, otherwise circumference is the length of complete boundary of circle. Clear? So circumference is the length of boundary of circle, otherwise we can also say that circumference is the length of one complete rotation of circle. एक कंप्लीट जो रोटेशन होगा उसकी जो लेंथ होगी वो ही क्या होगी? सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्कल. इट इज आल्सो नोन एज पेरीमीटर ऑफ सर्कल. इन प्रीवियस क्लासेस यू फाइंड पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर, पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्राइंगल. These all are also known as circumference. Circumference of equilateral triangle, it means 3 multiply side. Circumference of rectangle, it means 2 multiply length plus breadth. So similarly, this is also known as perimeter. It is also known as perimeter of circle. In formula form, circumference of circle. Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. In other words, if we combine 2r multiply pi and 2r, it means double of radius. Double of radius is called diameter. Double of radius is called diameter. So in other words, we can also write 2r is equal to d. Double of radius is also known as diameter. So we can write 2r is equal to d multiply pi, where d is the diameter of circle. So we represent circumference in the form of diameter, it means d pi. circumference is equal to d multiply pi. It means d pi, where d is the diameter and pi is the irrational number. Pi is constant, that is known as irrational number. And area of circle is equal to pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r and area of circle is pi r square. So these are the definition of circle and circumference. And circumference of circle is 2 pi r in the form of diameter d multiply pi, and area of circle is equal to pi r square. So these circumference and area of circle are used to solve questions. So form of circumference in the diameter form and in general form, both forms are used to solving questions. Next topic is area between two concentric circles. What is the means of concentric circles? If two circles have common center, then circles are known as concentric circles. Circles are known as concentric circles. So we want to find out area between two concentric circles. Suppose these are the two concentric circles. O is the center of circle. We want to find out area between concentric circle. Here O is the center of both circle. OA is the radius of interior circle and OB is the radius of outer circle. So area between two concentric circles is equal to pi. Let OA is equal to R2 and OB is equal to R1. OA is equal to R2 and OB is equal to R1. So area between two concentric circles is equal to pi multiply R1 square minus R2 square. OB is equal to R1. OB is the radius of exterior circle and OA is the radius of interior circle. OA is equal to R2 and OB is R1. So area between two concentric circles is pi multiply R1 square minus R2 square. Here R1 is greater than R2. R1 is greater than R2. So we write pi multiply R1 square minus R2 square. Then number of rotations. Number of rotations made by a wheel number of rotations made by a wheel in 1 minute. Number of rotations made by a wheel in 1 minute. Now we want to find out number of rotations made by a wheel in 1 minute is equal to distance covered by wheel in 1 minute divided by circumference of wheel. If we want to find out number of rotations made by a wheel in 1 minute, then we find distance covered by wheel in 1 minute. How many distance covered by wheel in 1 minute divided by circumference of wheel, then we get number of rotations made by a wheel in 1 minute. So these are the some basic formula we use solving questions. First is area between two concentric circles is equal to pi into r1 square minus r2 square. Here r1 is greater than r2. And second is number of rotations made by a wheel. Number of rotations made by a wheel in 1 minute is equal to distance covered by wheel in 1 minute divided by circumference of wheel. Okay. So by using these formulas, we solve questions related to these exercises. Now we start exercise 15.1. First question is radius of a circle is 3.5 centimeter. Find its circumference and area. Here radius of circle, it means r. How many? 3.5 centimeter. We want to find out circumference. We know that circumference of circle is 2 pi r is equal to 2 multiply 22 upon 7 multiply radius is 3.5. So 7 cancelled by 3.5, we get 0.5, that is 2 multiply 22 5 ja 110. It means 11 2 ja 22 centimeter. This is the circumference of circle. And area of circle is equal to pi r square is equal to 22 upon 7 multiply 3.5 multiply 3.5, again 3.5 cancelled by 7. How many time? 0.5 22 5 11 multiply 3.5 11.0 multiply 3.5, that is 38.5 centimeter square, because this is the area of circle. So circumference is 2 pi r, that is 22 centimeter, and area of circle is pi r square. We put the values of radius. So 3.5 multiply 3.5, 7 cancelled, that is we get 0.5. Then 22 5 ja 110, it means only 11.0. 11 multiply 3.5 is 38.5 centimeter square. Clear? Okay. Then question number 2 is circumference of a circle is 44 centimeter. Find the area of the circle. So first we use circumference of circle is 44. So 2 pi r is equal to 44. R is equal to 44 divided by 2 pi. By using this, first you find out r and then area of circle. So this question is simple question, you can easily solve. Question number 3, the radius of a semicircle shaped plot is 21 meter. The radius of a semicircle shaped plot is 21 meter. Okay. Here radius is represented by r. Radius of a semicircle shaped plot is 21 meter. Find its area and perimeter. So area of semicircle is equal to 1/2 pi r square, because area of circle is pi r square and area of semicircle is half of area of circle. So half multiply pi r square is equal to 1/2 into 22/7 into r. It means 21 multiply 21, 7 3 ja and 20 11 ja. So 11 multiply 21 3 ja 63, that is 63 multiply 11, that is 693 centimeter square, because this is the area. Here unit is meter, so this is meter square. Radius of a semicircle shaped plot is 21 meter. Find its area and perimeter. Area and perimeter. Perimeter of semicircle students, area of semicircle is half of pi r square. Perimeter of semicircle is half of 2 pi r. Yes or no? Perimeter of semicircle half of 2 pi r, it means we can write pi r. Yes? No? This is wrong. Perimeter of semicircle is pi r plus 2r. It means we can also write pi r plus 2r, that is pi r plus d. Pi r plus d. Perimeter of semicircle, this is very important. More students have confused in this, because area of semicircle is half of pi r square, but perimeter of semicircle is pi r plus 2r. Half multiply 2r, 2 pi r, it means 2 cancelled by 2, that is pi r plus 2r, and 2r is equal to d, so pi r plus d. Pi, it means 22/7 multiply r. Radius is 21 plus d, diameter, and diameter it means 2 multiply radius, so 2 multiply 21, 7 3, so 21 3 ja 66 plus 11 2 ja 42, that is 108 meter. 108 meter. So perimeter of semicircle is 108 meter. This is very important formula. Okay, so area of semicircle is half pi r square and perimeter of semicircle is pi r plus 2r. 108 meter. Clear? Okay. Area of semicircle is half pi r square, but circumference of semicircle is pi r plus 2r, pi r plus 2r. Then next, some students ask question number 5. The area of a circular plate is 154 centimeter. Area, why 154 centimeter, right? 154 centimeter square. Area of circular plate, area of circular plate is 154 centimeter square. We know that area of circle is pi r square. Pi r square is equal to 154, that is r square is equal to 154 upon pi. 154 upon 22 multiply 7, 22 7 ja 154, 7 multiply 7 is 49. There implies r square is equal to 49, so r is equal to 7 centimeter. This is the radius of circle. In this question, what is given? Area of circular plate is 154 centimeter square. This is given, so pi r square is equal to 154. R square is equal to 154 divided by pi. We put the values of pi, 22 upon 7. Then after cancelling, we get 49. R square is equal to 49, so r is equal to 7. Find its area. Okay. Find its circumference. Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. R is 7. 7 cancelled by 7. 22 to the 44 centimeter. This is the circumference of circle. So in this question, what is given? Area of circular plate. Area of circular plate is 154 given. So by using this, we find radius of circular plate and then circumference of circular plate. Clear? Okay. Then question number 7. This question is very important question. The cost of constructing a boundary wall of circular field is rupees 5,280 at the rate of rupees 24 per meter. Find the cost of plowing this field at rate of rupees 0.50 per meter square. So in this question, what is given? Cost of boundary wall. Cost of boundary wall of circular field. How many? Rupees 5,280. Rupees 5,280 and rate of cost. Rate of cost is rupees 24 per meter. Find the cost of plowing this field at rate of rupees 0.50 per meter square. Find the cost of plowing. It means first we want to find out area of field. Then we multiply by rupees 0.50 and we easily get cost of plowing. So first we find out area of field. For this we want to find out what is circumference of field. What is circumference of field? So first we find out circumference of field. Circumference of field is equal to total expense divided by rate of cost. Total expense circumference of field is equal to total expense. It means cost of boundary wall. Cost of boundary wall, this is total expense divided by rate of cost. So rupees 5280 is divided by rupees 24. Circumference of field is equal to total expense divided by rate of cost. That is 5280 is divided by 24. So we get 220. We get 220. We know that circumference of field, and field is the circular field. Type of field is circular field. So circumference of circular field is 2 pi r is equal to 220. That is r is equal to 220 divided by 2 pi is equal to 220 upon 2 into 22 multiply 7. So 10 time and 2 5 ja, then 5 7 ja 35. Radius is 35 meter. Radius is 35 meter. Now we want to find out area of field. Area of field is equal to pi r square is equal to 22 upon 7 multiply radius is 35 multiply 35, then 7 5 ja 22 5 ja 110 multiply 35 is equal to, we get 3850 meter square. This is the area of field. Area of field is 3850 meter square. Then cost of plowing. Find the cost of plowing this field. So cost of plowing is equal to rate of cost is rupees 0.50 multiply area of field. Area of field is 3850 meter square is equal to rupees 1925. This is the cost of plowing. Cost of plowing of circular field is rupees 1925. So in this question, what is given? The cost of constructing a boundary wall of circular field is rupees 5280. One thing is given, cost of boundary wall of circular field. Then second is rate of cost. Rate of cost is rupees 24 per meter. This is also given. So circumference of field is equal to total expense. It means expense of boundary wall of circular field is divided by rate of cost. So we get 220 meter. It means this is the circumference of field, and type of field is circular field. So circumference of circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 220. We get radius is 35 meter. Now we want to find out area of field. Area of field is pi r square. So 22 upon 7 multiply 35 multiply 35, that is 3850 meter square. This is the area of field. Now cost of plowing. Cost of plowing field. Cost of plowing field is equal to rate of cost, that is rupees 0.50 multiply area of field is 3850, we get rupees 1925. Clear? So we use this method for solving this type of question. Now question number 9. Question number 9 is very simple question. In this question, the area between two concentric circles will be, the area between two concentric circles, this is as a formula form. Area between two concentric circles is pi multiply r1 square minus r2 square. We can write in the form pi multiply r plus r into r minus r. So question number 9, option B is right. Question number 9, option B is right, because area between two concentric circles, area between two concentric circles is equal to, in this, pi multiply capital R plus small r multiply capital R plus small r, we can write in the form of capital R square minus small r square. So this is the area between two concentric circles where capital R and small r are the, here capital R is the radius of outer circle and small r is the radius of inner circle. Okay, so answer option B is right. Now question number 10. Question number 10 is the last question of this exercise. The radius of two concentric circles are 4 cm and 3 cm. Radius of two concentric circles. In this question, radius are given, two concentric circles. The area between these two circles will be, here r1 is equal to 4 cm and r2 is equal to 3 cm. We know that area between two concentric circles is equal to pi into r1 square minus r2 square. Area between two concentric circles is equal to pi into r1 square minus r2 square. We put the values of r1 and r2. Area between two concentric circles is equal to pi into r1 square minus r2 square, that is 22 upon 7. r1 is 4 whole square minus r2 is 3 whole square is equal to 22 upon 7, 16 minus 9. 4 square is 16 minus 3 square is 9 is equal to 22 upon 7 multiply 7 and 7 cancelled by 7 is equal to 22 centimeter square. This is the area between two concentric circles. So area between two concentric circles we can write in the form of both form, pi multiply capital R square minus small r square and pi multiply capital R square minus small r square. Here capital R is the radius of outer circle and small r is the radius of inner circle. Similarly in this question, area between two concentric circles, here small r1 is the radius of outer circle, 4 cm and r2 is equal to 3 cm. This is the radius of interior circle. So area between two concentric circles is equal to pi into r1 square minus r2 square is equal to 22 upon 7 r1 4 square minus 3 square, 22 upon 7 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7, 7 cancelled by 7 is equal to 22 centimeter square. Clear? So these are the some questions of exercise 15.1. This is very simple exercise. You can easily solve remaining questions, and if you have any confusion, any problem, you can WhatsApp me question and you can also call me. Okay, thanks.